Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How To Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to delete the cached data on Line Desktop. Now let us begin. Initially what you guys have to do is simply go to settings. At the bottom right you can see these three lines, that is settings. Click on it right now. Once you guys do that, once again click on settings. And guys, this is it. Once you click on it, this thing will pop up, and as you guys can see, there are multiple options. But right now, let's simply look at how to clear the cache. In order to do that, what you guys need to do is simply go to chat. Just below notification, you can find the button right here, and once you click on it, this thing will open up. Simply scroll down till you see something called as chat. As you guys can see, here is delete data and cached data. From here, simply click on delete right now and just give your confirmation. And guys, that is it. That's how we delete the cached data in Line Desktop. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.